Edpuzzle's Gradebook is a simple but powerful way to track your class's progress across multiple assignments. Let's see how. First, log in to your teacher account and select Gradebook from the top menu bar. Then, choose the class whose progress you want to see from the drop-down menu. By default, you'll see the video lesson assignments from the past 30 days. If you want to change the date range, click on the Start Date box and enter the dates of your choice. If you assigned video lessons with questions, you'll be able to see the grade that each student got in each video. Multiple choice questions are automatically graded. If you see 3 dots, it means an assignment still has open-ended questions pending to be graded. Once you grade them, the gradebook will automatically update. Under each grade, you'll see a thin line showing the percentage of the video that student watched. At the beginning of each student's row, you'll see the total score. This is an average of all the grades that students earned for the displayed period of time. Remember that if a video doesn't have questions, it won't be included in the total score calculation. If you're using Edpuzzle as a formative or summative assessment tool, this information is priceless. Next to the total score, you'll see the total time spent. This shows how much time each student spent watching the videos and can help you analyze how much effort your students made. If a video lesson has a due date and the student completed the video late, you'll see a red clock icon next to that grade, although it will still count as part of the total score. If you click on a student's name, you'll get an individual report. You'll see the total score, the total time spent and their progress for each assignment. This report is ideal for one-on-one meetings. If you want to download your grades, simply click Export Gradebook. You'll get a CSV file that you can open using Excel, Google Sheets, or even upload to your school's online gradebook. And that's it! Now you're ready to use Edpuzzle's Gradebook.